ready to race. Race number 6. And the race is on. Superior Art from the outside, Furiously Eager. Remus Danori inside, rising up. Icy Dragon. Superior Art by about 2 lengths, followed by Remus in second. Rushing up on the outside, Icy Dragon and Furiously Eager. And passing the half-mile post, Icy Dragon. Superior Arc fighting it out for the lead. Remus racing in third by about 2 lengths. Furiously Eager is racing in fourth by half a length. Rounding the far turn, Icy Dragon, Superior Arc. Remus getting closer in third, and Furiously Eager as they race the last 500. Icy Dragon followed now by Remus from the outside. Superior Arc Danori inside as they race the final corner. Icy Dragon by about 2 lengths, and Remus on the outside. Superior Arc Danori inside. Icy Dragon by about 3 lengths. Remus in second. Superior Arc, and nearing the finish line, number 3, Icy Dragon. Remus, Superior Arc, Furiously Eager.
Okay, 3, 1, 2, 4 at